Hey everybody, welcome to Life with Sunny Lee, and it has been another busy week. We only got to the gym once this whole week because we were so busy. Sunday, of course, we went to church, and then the rest of the week, we knew we were going to get some freeze, so I came out here in the garden, and I harvested anything that I could before the freeze. A lot of years, I try to cover things up with sheets and try to prolong the season, but the outside garden had not done that great this year, so I decided it was God's way of telling me that the outside garden was done for the year. Concentrate on the inside garden. So I came out here and harvested all the tomatoes that I could before the frost. I left some on mainly because those were not looking that good in the beginning, so we harvested all those. Okay, what else I do? I cut some of the flowers and took them inside so I can enjoy them. And the broccoli and the Brussels sprouts and the cabbage did okay. The strawberries did okay, but the okra and the zucchini, I think they pretty much succumbed to the frost. So we harvested all those, got that done, and then we went and had lunch with some friends that we hadn't seen for a long time. So we spent the afternoon visiting with them, and also our middle son was coming home on Saturday, and I wanted the house to be clean, so I spent 2 days cleaning the house. Found out that we knew that the kitchen window had a hole in it on the outside, so while we were ordering the door to replace the shattered patio door, we went ahead and ordered a window, and the window came Saturday, so we spent Saturday putting it up. Actually, Doug and Bill, his dad, put the window up, and my job was to keep the cats from bothering them so they wouldn't trip over them. So I got the upstairs cleaned, the downstairs cleaned, shampooed the carpet, and a lot of this week has just been working with the animals, cleaning up their stuff. I washed all their stuff, their bed, their bedding, their bows, everything that could be washed got washed. And made some more satin balls for the dog. And that is basically what we've been doing. We did have to have the washer on this outside faucet here for my greenhouse. We had to have the washer changed. It's supposed to be a simple little job that you can just unscrew apart and put the washer in. This is a brand new faucet, basically, about maybe a couple years old. I mean, it's not really old, but it was leaking through here, and they put a new washer in, and he couldn't get to come loose, so he had to have the plumbers come and do it. Anyway, we got the window put in, and like I said, spent most of the time cleaning the house. I do have the windows yet to clean and check, make sure there's no other windows that are busted. I want to do that before we know that the one in the office is broken, but I'm not for sure how that one's going to be able to be replaced, because it's a center fixed window and not the opening windows. Opening windows, you just unscrew them, pop them out, and put a new window in. No big deal. But that fixed window, I'm not for sure. Anyway, that is what we did last week. So, Our son did get here safely, and he should be here for the rest of the week. So it should be an interesting week. I always enjoy having him home. And I've got some things I need to get done in this next coming week. So stay tuned. We're going to harvest the sweet potatoes that should have been harvested before the freeze. But as long as the ground isn't frozen, we're okay on harvesting them. And I need to pull out the dead plants that died during the freeze. So that's the main thing we're doing this next coming week. So stay tuned, see how many sweet potatoes we got, or if we got any whatsoever. So remember, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.